Hi, you guys have been wondering how long I didn't do a video. I didn't do a video really long because I had some business to take care of. But today I want to show you all my pet shops. I'm going to be getting more in like 5-6 weeks. But today I have really small ones, but I don't really feel like taking these out. I'll just take the medium ones and the big ones. So these are all my Little Miss Pet shops. This is the boy turtle. I named him Edison. This is the girl turtle, and I named her Shelly. This is Mrs. Katrina. She's a Little Miss Pet Shop cat. And if you guys are asking, yes, this is my favorite. This is the octopus. I don't know what to name her yet. You guys could tell me in the comments. This is my puppy. His name is Arthur. And if you guys hear that purring sound, that's my cat. This is my puppy named Jan. This is my bunny Little Miss Pet Shop named Isa. This is my grandchog named Teresa. And this is from the Turtles Kids Little Miss Pet Shop. Her name is Tiny. This is the hippo. I don't know what to name her. This dog Little Miss Pet Shop is Mike. And the last one is Piglet. And I want to show you one more thing before my video is over. Hi, baby. Here. Please. Right now. Now. Please. I really want you to come, baby. Please. And don't feel like scratching me either. I'm really doing my video. Video or music? This is my cat, Pixie. You seen her in the last video. Okay, I'll put her down. Yep, guys, that's my cat. Bye, guys.